Trish and I'm back with another video. And today, y'all, I'm back with another lit video. And y'all, I had did this before, the messed up makeup Bret Me Through 10 prank on Monkey Out. And y'all, guess what? I had deleted my screen recording, so I had to do a whole nother video. So y'all, I'm back with another lit video, and today y'all gonna see me do my makeup horribly. I don't got too much makeup, y'all, because I barely do my makeup. I just wear my face like this. If you like me, you like me. If you don't, you don't. So anyways, let's get hot right to the video so y'all can see my horrible makeup. If y'all haven't already, please like this video, subscribe, comment down below what y'all want to see next, and join the gang with me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be going in with the lipstick first. As y'all can see, I'm gonna go with the lipstick first. This is what kind of lipsticks I got. This is the kind of lipsticks I got. I got this one. Now this is a liquid lipstick. This is like liquid lipstick. It says it's a liquid lipstick, Peachy Queen. It's a Peachy Queen. I don't know what's gonna be that. You know, y'all gonna see when I put it on, if y'all know what I'm saying. Then I have this one. This is the matte liquid lip color from LA Colors. I got that one. Then I have a burgundy. Then I have a like a brown grayish. Then I have like mascaras. Then I have another one, butterfly matte lip cream, mango butter, shea butter, and cocoa butter. I'm gonna be doing. Then I got this old moisturizing lip gloss. Then I got the eyeliner, and I got the palettes. Let me show y'all if y'all know. Then I got the palette, this palette, as y'all can see. I'm gonna be using that today. I got another palette from Revlon, and y'all can see me do my makeup. So let's get it. I'm gonna start with the burgundy first. All right, y'all gonna see. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the pink. Alright guys, you can see my makeup. It's horrible. As y'all can see, put this over here. And y'all, let's get right into the video. Alright, let's get this video. Yeah, it's gonna be lit. Make sure if this funny, y'all, share this video. Make sure you like this video. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. So I'm gonna start screen recording. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, here we go. My screen right here. Hey. Okay. Let's get it. Hope they will say something. Hey. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
What the fuck is on your face, dude?
This is my religion. Dinner. Hey. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
What's up?
Come on, now. I need a good reaction. Come on, now. I need a good reaction. Hey.
I think you're pretty cute.
Can you add me 1 to 10?
What the fuck? Gotta go. 21 Savage. How many stars you got in your garage, bitch? You gotta go.
I guess I was gonna put me on Snapchat. I don't know. Guess I was gonna put me on Snap.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, can you rate me 1 to 10? Really? Yeah, I'm trying to put my lipstick like.
Yo. Oh my god.
Hey,
Wow. How you doing?
can you rate me 1 to 10?
You said what?
Can you rate me 1 to 10? At time.
Alright. You were 25.
25?
Nah, you were fucking dying, dog. You're worse of fucking dying. You were dying.
Y'all mean.
You said what?
Y'all mean.
Oh, I said you 25. You said you none. I'm not me.
Who said I'm a 9?
Him. No, I said 10. Him. I said 10. He said 10, and that's when he said you were dumb. Yeah. So what we mean? Look at you.
Yeah, this is my religion.
You're the mean one. Oh, okay. Fall back though.
I'm finna cry.
Back. Why you gonna cry? What you know?
Cause y'all making fun of me.
Why we making fun of you? What you talking about? I'm skinny. Yeah.
Woo. Oh shoot. Yo. Let's go. Hey.
Hello.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Why you got a tail on? Can you rate me 1 to 10?
I'll give you like a 9.
Okay. Watch this, y'all. Here we go, y'all. Skipped, really? Skipped. Okay. Hey.
How you doing?
Good. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
I can tip without all that on your face. You are a very good looking person.
What? I ain't. Period. Hey. Can you rate 1 to 10? Okay, y'all really ain't saying nothing. I guess I had to be get on y'all for real. Hey.
Hey, Tom, you was Sprint or Verizon?
Huh?
You was Sprint or Verizon?
C-Spire.
I said you was Sprint or Verizon.
I'm with C-Spire.
The hell is that?
Nothing. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Girl, your ass is a 1. What are you talking about?
Why?
Because you put that shit on your face. This shit.
That's my religion.
Oh, well. Let me see some titties, I'll rate you better.
No. Bye. No, what the freak? Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video. I ain't. Hey.
What's up, fat bitch?
Dang, for real? Yo, for real, man. Dang, they mean. Hey, I got a question.
What's up?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You a 10. You cute.
You know you lying. I'm not cute.
You is cute.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, make this video go viral. Hey, Dean.
What's up?
Raven, can you rate me 1 through 10?
What?
Can you rate me 1 through 10? Hey. Hey.
I said, don't get your attitude.
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
A 10.
A 10. They lying for real. He from California. Anthony from California. Hey, can you rate me 1 through 10?
You're a 7.5.
You like my makeup?
Yeah.
What you like about it?
Everything.
Come on now. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my hair like this. Hello. 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 What up, boy?
What's up, nigga?
What up? What you doing, boy? Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You said, wait,
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
0.
What up, boy?
What the fuck?
What up?
What part of Mississippi you from?
Why, boy? I'm a man. What up? What you?
Quick time, nigga.
Hey.
Holy shit.
Hey.
No, you can't.
Come here.
Oh, that's scary.
Yo, I'm ugly, y'all, for real. I'm making like I'm gay. Hey. Hey.
Oh shit, I'm done.
Hey.
God, dude or a girl? Get your gay ass on somewhere. Faggot.
I'm cute. Hey.
She doing it. Do it.
Let me put it up your booty.
So turn on.
Yo.
Okay, before you do anything, can you get that time like?
Hey.
That's what's up.
Hey.
What's up? Hey, I can't. Go down.
Come on, I need more reactions. Right here. Hey.
What's up?
Let me put up your booty.
Huh?
How can it get uglier?
Not a compliment.
Yeah.
What's up?
What up, boy? Let me put up your booty.
The fuck? You sure? Oh, hell.
Well, alright, YouTube. This is it for that video. Make sure y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. And y'all, let me go fix my pretty self. If y'all seen y'all in that video, make sure y'all comment down below and tell me it was you, okay? And now I need to go fix myself because it's horrible. And I'll catch you in the next video. Comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell if y'all haven't been new to the game. Comment down below what y'all want me to do next, because I'm coming out of the top of my head. And peace.